Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start the last chapter of this session, that is utilization of plants, but in which we are going to discuss here the spices. So let's get started. We all of you are known about the spices and the basic thing about the spices but today we will see from the botany point of view. So spices, the plant product with characteristic aroma and taste, are commonly called as spices. The spices are used to flavor different food preparations and also in medicines and perfumery industries. Spices are obtained from different parts of the plants like stem, roots, leaves, flowers, seeds, etc. इंडिया इज़ नोन एज द होम ऑफ स्पाइसेस. अगर आप स्पाइसेस इंडिया को देखेंगे तो इट इज़ नोन एज द होम ऑफ स्पाइसेस. बहुत सारे स्पाइसेस यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. देयर आर over 70 spices which are cultivated in different parts of the world. The major spices cultivated in India are pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric, and chilies. So these spices, this cannot be classed as a food, for they contain little of nutritive value. Aromatic flavors of spices add nutritional value in food. इन स्पाइसेस को एडजंक्ट्स भी कहा गया है और फूड एक्सेसरीज भी कहा गया है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो स्टिमुलेट करते हैं एपेटाइट और जो गैस्ट्रिक जूस का जो फ्लो है उसे इंक्रीज़ करने का काम ये स्पाइसेस करते हैं. सो they also play an important part in many of the industries like perfumery, soaps, essence and as dyes. अगर इन स्पाइसेस की मेडिसिनल वैल्यू आप देखेंगे तो दीज आर कार्मिनेटिव्स एंड एंटीसेप्टिक. कार्मिनेटिव्स मीन्स वो रिलीव करते हैं. दीज आर दी रिलीविंग फ्लैटुलेंस. सो दीज आर दी कार्मिनेटिव्स. सो आज हम दो स्पाइसेस के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. दैट इज़ ब्लैक पेपर विच इज़ इट्स botanical name is Piper nigrum, and second one is the clove whose botanical name is Syzygium aromaticum. So let's see the first one, that is black pepper. Its botanical name is Piper nigrum. It belongs to family Piperaceae, and the common name of this black pepper is the kali mirch. The black pepper is the dried unripe fruit of Piper nigrum. Then it is considered as king of Indian spices. It is exported from India to other countries and it gives highest foreign exchange among all the spices to India. In India, it is cultivated in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. If you see, all these states are belongs to the South India. The pepper plant is a weak climbing or trailing shrub with adventitious roots reaching a length of 30 feet in the wild state. Then it has coriaceous evergreen leaves and very small flowers in catkins. The fruits are small, one-seeded. Then pepper requires a hot humid climate. The crop begins to yield in 2 or 3 years and reaches full bearing in 7 years. Propagation is by seed or cutting from the tips of the vines. So इस प्लांट को ग्रो होने के लिए किस तरीके का क्लाइमेट चाहिए? सो हॉट ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट इज़ नीडेड फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्लांट टू ग्रो. और इसके फ्रूट्स कैसे होती है? पाइपर निगरम ब्लैक पेपर आपने देखा है. सो द फ्रूट्स आर स्मॉल एंड these are one seeded, single seeded fruits जो होते हैं, these are present in the black pepper. And the nature of plant is, it is a weak climbing or trailing shrub with adventitious root जिसकी length कितनी होगी? It will reach up to 30 feet. So these are the fruit of this black pepper, and this is the plant of this black pepper which are having a evergreen leaves and very small flowers. Now let's see its uses. So it is used as a spice or condiment. It used in medicine for the treatment of diarrhea, piles, cough, gonorrhea, etc. Then it is used for the treatment of bronchitis, asthma and indigestion. Then it is used as carminative. I have told you the meaning of this carminative. Then it is aromatic, antiseptic and digestive. Then it stimulates the flow of saliva and gastric juices and has a cooling effect. And it is also used in pickles and curries. So all these are the uses of black pepper. Our second spice is clove. Scientific name is Syzygium aromaticum and it belongs to family Myrtaceae and its original place is इंडोनेशिया. और इसका वर्नाकुलर नेम जो है, कॉमन नेम है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? इट इज़ नोन एज द लवंग. सो द क्लोव इज़ one of the important tree spice crop grown in India. The clove is commerce is the fully grown but unopened aromatic dried food bud of an evergreen tree Syzygium aromaticum. The term clove is derived from the French word cloe and the English word clout, both meaning nail. So क्लो का मीनिंग ही क्या है? इट लुक्स लाइक अ नेल, सो इट हैज़ गिवन द नेम दैट इज़ क्लो. सो फ्रेंच वर्ड है क्लो एंड इंग्लिश वर्ड जो है क्लाउड. नाउ लेट्स सी इट्स इन डिटेल अबाउट द क्लो. द प्लांट इज अ स्मॉल एवरग्रीन ट्री हैविंग 25 to 40 feet height. The stem is branched to form a conical shape. The leaves are aromatic and develop in opposite manner. Cloves are the unopened flower bud of Syzygium aromaticum, also called as Eugenia caryophyllata. Now let's see its uses. They are used for flavoring pickles, curries, ketchup and sauces. It is used in medicine as an aid to digestion and for its antiseptic and antispasmodic action. Then it is often used as a local antiseptic in toothache. It is an ingredient of many toothpaste and mouthwashes. Then clove is also one of the ingredients of betel. Then the oil is used in perfumes, in scenting soap. Then it is used as a clearing agent in histological work and it is used for the formation of artificial vanilla. So this was about the clove. So today we have learned two spices. First one was the black pepper. Its botanical name is Piper nigrum and belongs to family Piperaceae and the common name is Kali Mirch. And second spice we have learned about clove. Its botanical name is Syzygium aromaticum and it belongs to family Myrtaceae and its vernacular name is लवंग. सो बहुत सारे स्पाइसेस है, फाइबर प्लांट्स है, सॉरी फायरवुड है, मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स है. सो ऐसे हम हर एक लेक्चर में दो दो प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे ताकि आपको कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी फायरवुड, अबाउट फायरवुड जो कि रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेस है, उसमें हम बात करेंगे टिम्बर्स के बारे में जिसमें शीशम आता है, साल आता है, देन टिक आता है. So all these are things we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Till then, see you.